She's gonna be like,
It's like 78.
what the?
Let's just dip your toes in. Ready?
Toes!
What do you think?
She's like, Mom, it's cold.
What do you think?
How is she not freaking out by the cold?
Oh, is it too cold?
Oh no! It's okay. It is a little chilly, we know.
It's just different.
It's okay.
It's the first time in the water.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
The second dip will be better.
Plus it's cold, so I mean, she's like,
Okay.
Why do you lie so much?
You want to just do your toes?
Yeah.
Is that okay? That's okay. Yay! Do you splash with your toes?
Well, baby's first total experience.
Yay! Water!
Abigail.
what? She likes it.
Maybe she'll sit on the mat.
She's like, I think I was pretty clear. I didn't enjoy that.
I told you.